studied in class 4th A. Now I'm making Oreo lollipops. So let's get started. Here I have taken 5 Oreo biscuits. Crush it. Now take a jar and blend it. Take out biscuits in a plate. Now take 1 chocolate syrup. Add in biscuits. Now I'm preparing balls. Keep it in a plate.
Now make a dough.
I have prepared these balls. Take toothpicks and put in these balls. I have taken white chocolate, melt it in microwave. Like this. Now take balls and wrap it in this chocolate. "15 minutes are over and Oreo lollipops are ready. Thank you for watching my video.